Okay everyone, let's get real about our vaginas during periods and sex. Our V goes through a lot and it can get a little messy sometimes, but there's an easy way to make sure that you feel fresh and ready for anything, and that is to wash with the Tushy bidet. Get excited because I'm about to blow your mind with all the great benefits of washing with bidet during our cycles and before and after sex. Welcome back, booties and buttholes. I'm Carrie, your Tushy enthusiast and better booty advocate. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you're notified every single time we post new videos. So what is a bidet? Real quick, let me give a recap on what a Tushy bidet is so we're all on the same page. The Tushy bidet attachment washes your bum and vagina with a gentle stream of fresh, clean water. It easily attaches right in between your toilet bowl and your toilet seat, and it fits on almost any standard toilet. This baby is designed to wash your bum hole after poops and to wash your V, and not to mention it's also better for our planet and it saves you money on toilet paper. To learn more about bidets or how to use bidets or other reasons to use the bidet, check out our other videos linked in the description. Now you might be wondering why I'm telling you to wash your vagina and vulva with the bidet when it's normally known to clean your bum. It's because the proper way to clean our vaginas is with fresh water. Not convinced? Let's hear what OBGYNs have to say. Bloom OBGYN stated, maintaining a clean vagina means regular, gentle bathing on the outside of the vagina. Water is the best cleanser, possibly with a mild soap, but less is always more in this case. Washing our precious V with scented soaps may seem like a good idea, especially if you're prepping for a steamy night, but you can throw off the natural pH balance and strip away the natural and necessary bacteria, which can then cause infections and irritation. That's why the Tushy bidet is perfect for cleaning the vulva and outside of your vagina, because we're using fresh water. We also have the Tushy spa, which gives you the option to wash with warm water if you want. Okay, I do want to address a myth that poop will get into your vagina if you wash with the bidet. The curved spray of the bidet actually works like a reverse waterfall, and it pulls down the dirty bits. Nothing from the butthole rinse even gets anywhere near your vagina. Trust me, I've been washing for 4+ years. Just a reminder, you'll never want to wash the inside of your vagina because your vagina is always cleaning itself. For more info on how your vagina is self-cleaning, check out our other videos linked in the description below. So how does washing with a bidet benefit you during your period? So we all know that discharge comes out of your vagina every day, even when you aren't on your period. But the struggle is real when Aunt Flo comes to town each month. And when those floodgates open up, it can be a ruiner of a lot of underwear, pants, swimsuits, just to name a few. And it's totally normal to feel a little messy and never really clean down there when we're on our periods. And oh man, don't even get me started on period poops. And luckily, the bidet can kill 2 birds with 1 stone and clean up your bum and your vagina when you get period poops. We actually have a whole video on that and why it happens, so go check it out. Sometimes the crime scene down there can be so annoying to deal with, but that's where the Tushy bidet comes in and it's got your backside. Let the bidet clean up for you. It can wash off any extra blood or gunk around your vagina on top of the normal post-poop washing, and it helps you feel as fresh and confident as possible to take on your day even when you're on your period. And also a bit of a pro tip, the bidet is a great way to clean out menstrual cups. If you want to learn more about periods or period poops, check out the videos linked in the description. Now, let's get to the sexier stuff. Sexy time is a great time, and to feel your best during sexy time, you want to go in feeling confident and not worried if there's a little piece of toilet paper stuck down there. And the bidet is perfect and almost necessary as a way to clean up before sex. It can wash off any odor, any sweat from the day, and might as well freshen up that booty too. It's also important to keep your vagina safe and healthy after sex because foreign fluids and objects can actually increase your risk of infections. Washing your vagina after is crucial because lots of bacteria can not only get in and around the vagina, but also up the urethra. And this is why it's important to pee after sex so you don't get a UTI. Washing the vagina and vulva with a bidet after sex can also help prevent UTIs, yeast infections, and bacterial vaginosis. And sometimes during sex or anal sex, there can be tears or irritation on the vagina or anus. And washing with the Tushy bidet actually helps bring down any inflammation and helps soothe any of the irritated areas. The sexy time dream come true. If you want to learn more about how to clean up before or after anal sex, check out that video linked in the description. Overall, sex can just sometimes throw off things in and around the vagina. So just make sure to keep it washed and clean with the bidet, and that way it can give you extra peace of mind and it can let you fully be in the intimate moment. So although the bidet is commonly used to wash your butt after poops, you now know that it can be super beneficial for those of us with vaginas. And we only have one vagina, so take good care of it. And being fresh and clean down there just makes us feel so much better, especially when it's as easy as washing with the bidet. You don't even have to do anything. If you want to learn more about the Tushy bidets or any of our other Tushy products like the bamboo bum towels for a soft pat dry on the bum or vagina, go to HelloTushy.com/vlog. We also have another great video on the proper way to clean your vagina and vulva coming next week as well. So subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Also, if you learned something new, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And lastly, I want to invite you to join me in our Facebook group, the Tushy Movement. You can join via the link in description. We're a collective of pooping humans from all around the world, chatting and learning more about gut health, bidet life, butt stuff, sustainability, and more. And I hope to see you in there. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you booties and buttholes next time.